Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Euro Yen monthly, I do think the wave 3 is over. I think we are likely in a corrective wave 4, which I do think will probably go down to at least a 50% level before we potentially go back up and make a wave 5. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still calling this all one downtrend, which I think is a wave A. At some point, it probably is going to start a move to the upside, which would probably be part of a wave B, which a wave B would be a crescent to the wave A, and eventually go down for a wave C. You have to keep in mind, though, that this is a crescent on the weekly monthly time frame, which means that this is very likely to probably last at least a minimum of 6 months or more. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I definitely have a couple possibilities. Possibility number one is that this is just a downtrend and it's just going to keep on trending down, making lower lows, lower highs. And I'm looking for sorts on sort of time frames right now anyway, so if it does keep on going down, then that's great news for me. The other possibility is that this wave A is already over and this is an A or B. This is a B or B, and this is going to go up, break structure, showing us that it's a wave B, and potentially heading up for the wave C, maybe up to one of these higher fib levels. Like I said, either scenario, I don't really care because if it goes up and breaks structure, I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs. If it doesn't go up and break structure, I'll be more than happy to continue to look for shorts every chance I get. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, I'm definitely looking for sorts right now. I mean, it does look like something that potentially could make a move to the upside, but the trend is your friend, and the trend is definitely down right now. So if it goes up and breaks sorts, I'll become a buyer. If not, then I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we had a pretty big engulfing move to the downside this morning. And I'm definitely looking for sorts. I'm looking for three-way patterns to go short. I went short right here yesterday, 1, 2, 3 ways up, Fibonacci bounce. And I also went short right here again today at the fib level. Looks like it's trying to make another attempt on the downtrend. Now, if it does fail, I'll just get out of the trade. And if it does decide to go up and break structure, then fine. I will definitely be more than happy to start looking for longs, like I just said. But until it actually proves that it's going up by breaking structure, I am going to continue to enjoy the trend and just go short every chance I get. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.